Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. So I'm gonna unbox AOC gaming model 24-inch that I got to match my whole setup. So let's unbox it and show you guys everything. Let's go. Alright guys, so there's the power brick, the HMI, and the power cord, the base, the stand, the manual book, and quick start guidebook. Alright guys, so here's the gaming monitor. Look at the screen, so nice. The buttons are on the bottom there, so clean. Let me show you guys the back of it. Alright guys, here's the back of the game monitor. Here's all the ports right here. Here's display port, HMI port, headset port, and the power port right here guys. It looks so nice. I will show you guys all the setup, and yeah. Hey guys, so this is how my setup looks like. Alright, so this is my gaming monitors right here. I got a brand new one so I can match the whole setup. AOC 24-inch gaming monitor. It looks so clean and fresh. Now it matches my whole setup right here guys. So if you guys enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. And thanks so much for watching.